How to fix Boeing Employees Credit Union app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. For that, open your App Store. Now search for the app BECU. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear the cache for the app. For that, open your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of General, head towards the option of iPhone Storage. In this page, you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Now head towards the app BECU. Once you find it, open it. Now click on a Float app. Click on a Float app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Completely delete this app and reinstall it. For that, long press on the app. Click on the option of Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, open your App Store. Now search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Boeing Employees Credit Union app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.